ជំរាបសួរបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នានេះជាសកម្មភាពដែលនាងខ្ញុំកំពុងតែយករបស់របរចេញពីលើទូទឹកកកក៏ដូចជាក្នុងទូទឹកកកដើម្បីយកទូទឹកកកចាស់នេះចេញហើយក៏ស្វាគមន៍ទូទឹកកកថ្មីក៏ដូចជាម៉ាស៊ីនបោកកៅអៅថ្មីដែរចាសសូមជួយទស្សនាបន្តទៅបងប្អូននេះសកម្មភាពគេយកទូទឹកកកនឹងដាក់បោកកៅអៅមកWhat is it?
I don't know.
What is it?
What is it wrong with the washer?
Oh, it's really old. So it's not energy efficient, basically.
Yeah.
It came with the house because it's not efficient. They're like, you have to take it out. So, I mean, whoever knows how to fix it, they could still use it. So,
It works.
yeah, it works. It's just, it sucks up a lot of energy. And so,
What do you do with the old one you take back?
No, we just ask people sometimes. We have to put it. The machine is a shot, so it's small. It's a 25. For the machine.
you guys are experts, huh? Oh, look at that. You make it as if it's a toy. I need to clean. Rồi nguội bạc. Thông chuyên môn này.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's again it's saying energy efficient.
It's efficient.
Yeah, because you might go home. I mean, you might go back to school. So I have to go, but my husband will be here, so he'll sign for the rest, okay? Thank you so much. Tú tự cọp mày rồi mở cười nhà đi. Ôi dồi. Water.